Hey guys, so I wanted to show you how to install a vinyl decal onto your car window. Please excuse the audio issue here. When we were recording, we were having some issues with the sound because it was very windy, so I am re-recording in post here. What I'm doing right now is applying the alcohol wipe onto the window just to remove some dirt and debris. These are provided with every order that we send out. Give it a minute or so to dry, and then you're ready to apply the decal. You want to use a squeegee. You get these from Amazon, a lot of other websites, and other sign shops around town. You can use other products, but a squeegee is usually the best bet. You want to peel the decal away from the backing first, and then peel the backing away from the decal transfer tape. The transfer tape is the clear or matte finish part that holds onto the vinyl, and be very careful not to let it fold into each other. Once you've got the backing away, you want to hold it tight and then tack down one side of it. So you'll see here that I'm tacking down the right side against the window and just making sure that it's secure on there. And the reason for that is you don't want to go down flat all at once. You want to go from one side to the other, and this is going to help prevent air bubbles from getting trapped underneath, especially when you've got a wide area like I do on that subscribe button down there. A lot of material touching the surface. So after you get it down, you just kind of want to go over it a few times just to make sure you get any air bubbles out, pushing really firmly against the glass, just doing your best to make sure that it's nice and flat and not going to come up. Once you've done that a few times, you're ready to grab the corner here and peel it away from the glass. Now we're just taking the transfer tape off, leaving the vinyl. If you go to do this and find that the vinyl is coming with the transfer tape, you either didn't clean enough, or you didn't dry it enough, or it didn't get pressed down enough. So always make sure you do those things. Thanks for watching.